All right, today I got a 2010 Chevy truck. The driver's inner door handle broke. So that's the hole it used to be coming out of. There's the broken piece. So apparently this is all one unit. You gotta replace the whole panel, and it's on back order from Chevy. It's like $600. So they make a Dorman repair kit we're gonna try out today. Let's see, I don't even know if this is the right part yet, but this is what I got. And it's got the handle. Looks like you drill out these plastic rivets and swap it over. So this was like $100. It's a lot cheaper than $600, so we're gonna see how it goes. This is what the kit comes with. You got 6 washers, 6 little screws, the bracket, the handle, and then this drill bit. So you take this drill bit and you just cut the tops off all these little plastic rivets and then take that off. And then you flip it over and you slide the handle over the arm, and it just locks into place. Don't have to screw it on or anything. Alright, I'm going to show you how to put it back together since I didn't show you taking it apart. So you take that, slide that in there. Pop that in there to get this off. You got just 2 little tabs. You got to squeeze under here and then pull it out and then wrap it around. Take your window harness connector, pull it through there. Kind of hang it on there for a second. All right. Got 5 screws, 2 like that, 2 with collars, 1 real shorter, 2 longer. I don't remember where they go, so we gotta figure it out. In here, panel, the panel poppers lock. I'm gonna say that's the short one. That's for the. Okay. So the collared ones go for this. And I'm gonna say the 2 longer ones go in there. the shortest one. Alright, see if it'll open the door. Very nice. Upside down.